What's going on, guys? Just out here on the beach enjoying a beautiful day, and today I have a really exciting announcement for all you guys. A ton of you have been waiting, and I've taken the last 6 months to put together what I believe to be the absolute best course on Amazon that there is. It's called the Amazon Fastlane course, and today I'm launching it to you guys. It is a complete step-by-step guide to making multiple 6 and 7 figures per year on Amazon FBA, and I've already had a few people who I've mentored through the beta version and have already been able to create $6, $7, $8, $10,000 per month. So today I'm truly excited to be announcing the Amazon Fastlane X course, which is literally a complete step-by-step blueprint to multiple 6 and 7 figures per year. And guys, when I set out to make this course, I wanted to make the absolute best course out there that literally will show you behind the scenes of every single thing you guys need to know. I didn't leave anything out. I've literally jam-packed 15 hours of high quality content of everything that I've learned over the last decade selling in e-commerce and over the last 5 years selling on Amazon FBA, and I'm literally handing that to you with my one-on-one mentorship, which will only be available for a limited time. So I'm already getting so many students that are enrolling in the course, and I just need to be able to give everyone the proper attention and help that they need. So guys, with the Amazon Fastlane X course, my ultimate goal and vision in life is to help 10,000 people and free them from the 9 to 5 and live a complete life of absolute freedom and abundance and financial freedom and live the life that they truly deserve. And I absolutely will be able to achieve that with the high quality content and all the information that I put into this course. It is truly going to change the world and is going to help millions of people achieve the life they truly want. It's what has got me to where I am today, to be able to just live in complete freedom, and it's what I want to share with the world today, and to truly help each and every one of you get to your goals and your visions on Amazon, because you don't need to be trapped behind a desk in a job. There are many more options today, and like I said, it's what I've done, and it's what I want to help show you guys you could do. Liberate yourselves and really enjoy life the way it should be. I wouldn't be able to be here on a Tuesday morning on the beach like this if I didn't have my business running in the background, making me money every minute, every day. And guys, let me just tell you, my life wasn't always like this until I made the 100% commitment that I was gonna stop telling myself these lies and put my foot down and make the commitment to change. And guys, just a few years ago, I was headed towards the rat race and towards a daily grind of a 9 to 5. And I put my foot down, and just like many of you are thinking right now, is this possible? And I want to tell you it is 100% possible through the Amazon Fastlane X course. Because if I was able to go from zero, headed towards the rat race 9 to 5, to be able to live a life of true freedom, you guys could do that as well, and I'm telling you that. It is all in your mind, and it is what you're telling yourself. It's more than just the money for me right now and making money in e-commerce and on Amazon. I just want to help share what I've learned. It's much more fulfilling to me to help and see other people actually achieve and really thrive on Amazon and live their dream lives, because I was already able to do that with a few of my earlier students, and they're doing way more than they ever expected they could possibly do. $15,000, $20,000 per month already on Amazon, and they've only been doing this for a few months. So guys, I'm truly excited for this opportunity for you guys and to be sharing this with you guys. So enrollment is open now. All you have to do is click the link below and go ahead and sign up, because I will be closing the course soon and taking away the mentorship, because like I said, I need to be able to get to everyone and help as many people and mentor them with any questions they have. So the mentorship will be going away very shortly, so make sure you get in, secure your spot, and you will have lifetime access to me with any questions. Guys, I truly want to help you. This is my duty in life, to free as many people from the 9 to 5 and help them see what they could do and what's possible, guys, and live a life of complete financial freedom and abundance, and live the life they truly deserve. Everybody has the same exact equal opportunity to really succeed and create massive wealth through Amazon FBA and passive income. And I want to help show you guys that is 100% completely possible. I will see you very, very shortly. The link is below for the Amazon Fastlane X course. So go over there, check it out, enroll in the course, and keep pushing for your dreams.